Right, so now I'm going to make some couscous. Right, so the couscous, I've got one bowl, one of these bowls of couscous. That height in there, it's about that much in there of couscous. Okay, that goes in my mixing bowl. Secret here is add a little bit of oil. Not too much, just a little bit. So I've got a little bit of olive oil in there. And then I'm just going to mix it all around. Try not to fire it everywhere, because couscous makes a real mess. And what the oil is going to do, the oil will just stop all the grains of couscous actually sticking and clumping together. It just helps them all to fall apart in a nice sandy texture once the couscous is actually cooked. We're giving that a really good mix of a little bit of oil, not too much. Okay. Lovely. Now what we want to do is, I need some water. Now, I'm going to put exactly the same amount of water as I did couscous, which is about there. So it's the same volume of water to couscous. Drop that in using this bowl. Just a little bit in that. Now I'm going to add a tiny bit of turmeric. A little bit of turmeric, literally like just a pinch of turmeric, slightly colour it on the stove, and then I'm going to boil it. As soon as it starts boiling, I'm going to take it off and let it cool down for about 5 minutes. Again, if the water is too hot and you use it on the couscous, it can cause it to become really clumpy and overcooked. So I'm going to boil it and then cool it down for a few minutes so the water and the turmeric is all mixed together, and it's not too hot. A little bit of salt in there as well. Okay, so I've got my couscous. What was in the couscous? We mixed it around a bit, just a little bit, just a little, little bit of lubrication between the grains. Water, I boiled the water with a little bit of turmeric and a little bit of salt. I let it cool down for about 5 minutes. It's the same volume of couscous to water. Now I'm just going to pour the water just over the couscous. Just make sure it's all in there and it's nicely like so, and it's nicely covered, or it's just covered. I'm then going to cover it in cling film. So there we go. Covered it in cling film. Now again, I'm just going to leave this for probably about 10 minutes to soak up the water, and then it will start to cook the couscous.